Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Light Credit College Based System. I am your teacher of English subject of class 1. Today we are going to start a new topic from your grammar portion, that is adjective of color. For this topic, first we should know that what are adjectives. Adjective means that the words that describe a noun. ऐसे अल्फाज जो कि नाउन के बारे में बयान करते हैं, उसके बारे में हमें और मालूमात देते हैं. Simply we can say that adjectives are the information about noun. It tells us about the color, shape and size of a noun. Now, adjectives of color. Adjectives of color tell us about colors of a noun. एडजेक्टिव्स ऐसे अल्फाज है, एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ कलर्स ऐसे अल्फाज है जो कि हमें बताते हैं किसी नाउन के रंग के बारे में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए येलो सन, एन ऑरेंज अम्ब्रेला, ए रेड रोज, ए ग्रीन लीफ. Yellow, orange, red and green, these all are the examples of adjectives of color. Suppose I am saying that this is a pen. This is simple sentence. I am not describing the color of the pen. But when I am saying that this is a red pen, so now we are using adjectives of color and we are telling about the color of the pen, that it is red. I hope this is clear. Thank you.